We'll guide you through how to make a CRM in Notion. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To start the setup, open your browser so you can reach the tool you need. When the window is ready, go to the search bar and type the name of the workspace service you want to use, which is Notion. After typing the word, press Enter so the results can show up. When the list appears, click the top web link that shows, since it will take you to the correct site. Once the page loads, look at the private section on the left and click the plus button to make a new page. When the new page opens, type a title that matches your plan for the project so the page is easy to find later. After giving it a proper title, click inside the page and type the command/data to bring up the database options. When the menu appears, set the name of the first data field with the label client's name. After that, click the Add Property button so you can insert more fields that will help you build your simple CRM. From the list of options, pick Status as your next property. When that one is added, press Add Property again to make space for more data. This time choose Email so you can store contact details. After that field is ready, click Add Property once more and name the new field Contact Person, since this will help you track who to reach out to. You can also add more options like First Contact and Last Contact to make the table more useful. At this stage, your simple CRM is ready for use, and you can start putting data inside it. Begin adding entries by clicking on the empty fields and typing the details for each client. When you reach the Contact Person field, right-click on it to open the menu. Then choose Change Type so you can adjust the field for better use. From the list that appears, change it to Phone so the format matches phone numbers. Once this is done, your CRM will work better and keep your records neat and clear. This setup lets you update info at any time. You can add new clients as your list grows, edit fields when someone changes their number, and sort the table to keep things tidy. With regular use, the CRM will help you stay steady with your tasks and contacts daily.